guys, it's Viv, and for today's video I am here and I am going to unbox the new Luciana Vega Girl of the Year for 2018 flight suit from American Girl. So I picked this outfit up today and I'm so excited to open it, so let's go ahead and get started. Actually go over the box first. You can see that it is a new galaxy theme, but it's not the window box, but it's still like the old style box with like just like the picture on the front and like American Girl all around, which I like because it's kind of like a hybrid between the ugly window box and the cute original box. So as you can see on the front, it has a picture of her flight suit and everything it comes with, so the suit and the shoes, which I mainly bought the outfit for, I'm not gonna lie with you. And it says Girl of the Year 2018 Luciana Vega, and it has this cool galaxy print with some like computer looking stuff. It kind of looks like what you would see on like a chip thingy. I don't remember what those are called. And also a constellation in the corner. And it says down here Luciana's flight suit. It says it in Spanish and French, and ages 8+. And then on the side it has that same computery looking design with ombre in green and blue, and it says Girl of the Year for 2018. On the back it has a picture of Luciana wearing the flight suit, and it says American Girl, and it does have that all the way across the box's top here. And then let's go ahead and read this description. So on the back here it says Luciana Vega in this little text box, and it says sky is the limit. When Luciana puts on her flight suit for the first time, she thinks she looks like the first woman in space. This suit is a replica of those found at space camp, complete with patches and a pair of black shoes. The outfit looks like on a doll. I love the way this looks. It's a little hard to get on, I will admit. That's the only thing that I don't like. However, I think that when it's on a doll, it looks absolutely incredible and so super cute and really realistic to what people wear when they're actually training to do flights. So you can see that the suit has black detail stitching all along, like here on the bodice, on the sleeves, on the belt, and on the pocket as well, which by the way is functional. Paisley is demonstrating that with her thumb. However, there is no black detail stitching on the back of the suit. And then you'll also see that on the bodice portion of the suit, there are 3 little patches. So on the right side, it has one that says NASA Visitor Center, Space and Rocket Center, Huntsville, Alabama. And it says Luciana underneath in the patch right there. And then on the left, it says Space Camp. And then on the sleeves, there are a couple other little patches. So there is one of the Star Spangled Banner. So that one right there says Mars, and that one says NASA. These are so super cute, and I really like the detail that they add to the flight suit overall. So on the side, kind of at the hip area, there is also a little plastic tag that says American Girl on it. And above that, on either side, there are these little blue like loops, I guess, that are on the waistband. And I don't really know what these are for. Maybe you can like put stuff in there, but they actually come undone with Velcro here. I will show you. So you can go ahead and take that undone if you want. And then if you saw underneath there, there was a little bit of gathering, and that's because at the waist there is elastic on the inside to help you get it onto your doll. And then also to help you get it onto your doll is the zipper that runs down the front. So anyways guys, that is it for today's video. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so you don't miss when I post. If you guys purchased anything from Luciana's collection, be sure you let me know in the comment section down below what you purchased and what outfit was your favorite in the collection. I think besides this one, I like her one with the green bomber jacket that says NASA on it. I think that one's pretty cute, but for me personally, I wouldn't buy it because my dolls usually just wear things that I make. So yeah, again, that is it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time for another one. Bye!